Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing devices so they can carry internet traffic. First, enable Bluetooth on both phone and PC and turn on Bluetooth tethering or mobile hotspot on the phone. This creates the shared interface. On Windows 10, open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices and choose Add Bluetooth device. Select your phone from the list and accept pairing prompts on both devices. Once paired, the devices are ready for Windows to use the phone as a network adapter. Once paired, you must tell Windows to use the phone's internet. Open Control Panel or Devices and Printers, find your phone, right-click and choose Connect using the Access Point or Network Access Point. This starts a PAN, Personal Area Network session. On the phone, approve any connection requests so tethering is allowed. Then check network connections on Windows to confirm a Bluetooth network connection. Adapter appears and receives an IP. That confirms Windows will route traffic through the phone's data link. Finish by verifying connectivity and tightening settings. Set the new Bluetooth network to private so Windows allows typical outbound traffic. Disable conflicting VPNs or adapters temporarily. Open a browser or run a quick ping to 8 to confirm internet flows. If speed or connection fails, make sure the phone has mobile data and tethering enabled, then restart the Bluetooth support service on Windows or update the PC's Bluetooth driver. If pairing fails, unpair and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.